What's up, everyone? So here I am, magpapa-car wash, and I'm gonna show you guys how it works in here. So in here, bibili ka ng code. You gotta punch in the code, and then like this one, give this code, and then papasok ka sa loob. That is a touchless car wash, and in this video, I'll share with you guys a few things. After natin magpa-car wash, I'm gonna go to coffee shop. And I'm gonna share with you guys a wonderful insight if you wanna succeed in online business, okay? For now, hugas muna tayo ng sasakyan. Let's go! Of course, you wanna make sure na saradong maigi ang bintana. Rinsing na tayo mga kapatid. Almost done. Yep, dryer na tayo. Let's go! Those are big blow dryers. Or blowers rather, big blowers. I'll get a black, the usual, okay, and then I'll get a sausage and egg.
That's all?
Yep.
You wanna wait for like 2 minutes? I'll give you a fresh one.
Yeah, sure. That's okay. Alright, so in this video, I'll share with you guys, after coaching over 3,000 entrepreneurs, a lot of people ask me, Sir John, lahat po ba ng naging estudyante niyo naging successful? No, it's not. And again, after working with a lot of people, you start to see the pattern of those people who became successful, people who succeeded sa business nila. And today, I'll share with you guys some of the observations. Again, talking to a lot of people over the telephone, chat, and email. And these are some of the things I'll share with you. Basically, there are 3 things that I noticed dun sa mga naging successful na estudyante natin. Number 1, there is a pressure on them. Pressure. Pressure is not necessarily bad because pressure makes you move. It makes you think creatively, and most importantly, pressure makes you take action, right? So just imagine you are in a room. In a room, for example, na ang room temperature is, they call it a room temperature, you're comfortable. You're not gonna do anything, right? And then, say, itaas mo yung aircon, right? Lalong lumambig. You lower down the temperature, it gets colder, what are you gonna do? Get a sweater, get a jacket, we will take action. At the same time, if you increase the temperature, it gets warmer, what are you gonna do? Right? You get electric fan, maybe you take your shirt off. So pressure is important in business. So may mga ilan po akong estudyante. I'm talking about people who already made millions in the business, okay? One of which is there's a pressure for them in the family. So I have few students na yung kanila pong mga anak ay special child and they just want to spend more time on their children. So that is a pressure because they really want to make it happen para sa kinabukasan ng kanilang mga anak. Okay, they're reciprocal. So there's a few students naman ako that they commit with someone, let's just say with their spouse, with their parents, right? They promise to them that they're gonna make it happen. Thus, it gives them pressure as well to take action, to get results because the program is the same. So the only reason na may mga tao hindi naging successful because they simply don't take action. That's all. Because the system that I've been teaching and sharing to people, if you've been watching a lot of videos, have been proven many times. Okay, so pressure is one. The second is commitment. So one of the things also I noticed for some, that when they started, most of these people have zero knowledge in business, but they promise to themselves they're gonna do something even for at least 15 minutes a day. They're doing something on their businesses. Of course, there are many days they have to work longer. That good thing with entrepreneurship, especially right now with computer and internet, you can actually do this before or after your office. So you have a lot of flexibility right now. Again, made it possible because of the internet and technology. But the key here is you want to have the momentum on your side by consistently working on your business. Again, even for just 15 minutes a day, it is better than not doing anything at all. Because, you know, in many of my videos, I already mentioned about the power of momentum. It's either you're going up or you're going down. You're not really hovering. Either you're going up or you are going down. The last point, and the most important probably among all this, is imagination. Imagination, meaning before they even get started in the program, they already imagine that they gonna make it happen. They already imagine what it feels like buying that nice house. They already imagine what it feels like working from home, be a hands-on mom and a hands-on dad. They're already imagining that they already paid off their debt. They're already imagining traveling the world. Imagination, my friend, is very powerful, and you want to use that, because there's a quote in the Bible that says that faith is a substance of things we hope for and things that are seen. Right? What are those things? Those are on your imagination. You haven't seen it, but you know the time will come that it will happen. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.